up, guys? Good morning. It's Friday. It is 8 in the morning right now, like 8 something in the morning. About to be 9 o'clock. I got the Civic out right now. I'm actually gonna go take it to go get a wheel alignment. This shit is so dirty, but who cares? Jeff came through yesterday, fixed the tune for me. He cleaned it up a little bit for me now. So car's driving, acting a lot better. Yeah, he said he doesn't think VTEC is working, so I'm not sure. Next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, I'm gonna take the car to my dad's, and then Spanky's gonna come over, and we're gonna look over everything on the car. I mean, everything on the motor, electrical, and everything. Make sure VTEC is actually working, and then just go from there. But right now, I'm gonna take a quick drive and go get a wheel alignment. The car actually made 11 pounds yesterday, so now I can actually drive a lot better. It's hard to drive one hand with a twin disc. You guys get the point. It made 11 psi yesterday, so. Today's Sunday. There's a little car meet going on today, so I'm gonna take out the Civic for this first little car meet. Got my boy Drew over there. We're ready to go. Got the Civic all washed up yesterday, so we're good. Yeah, we're ready to go. They should look pretty good. Yeah, ready to go. Got Drew over there. Let's go. Boy, Drew outside with the sedan. I got to the spot to meet up my boy, but I don't know. I think if my white band sensor is bad, this shit is going crazy. It was reading perfectly fine, literally yesterday. Now while I'm on the highway, it doesn't read at all. Shit is crazy. My throttle body is kind of tight, so it's not like I gotta just get this shit tuned, man. But it ain't reading. This shit's acting weird. Boy, son, I got the fresher side. Bro, this shit is so clean. Bro, this shit looks so good on camera. Just got here right now. Walked up the Civic. Nice little turnout. Yeah? Man, that shit clean. Sheesh. Yo. Yo, what up, bro? Car's fire, bro, as usual.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, man.
Shit, right hand drive too. Nice little calm, chill meet. Let me know if you guys like the vlogging on the iPhone better. Shit is nice. Nice little CRX. Shit is K-Series. Everybody ended up leaving. Well, a lot of cars ended up leaving. We're still here for a little bit. We'll chill out for a little bit longer. Everybody's enjoying the car. First time taking a car out. Dude, this iPhone camera is fucking insane. I took this picture that looks fucking... Bro, it looks like I took it with a professional camera. But technically, this is already a professional camera at this point. But dude, it looks fucking insane. Car looks good though. Car looks good. Parked up, a little chill, real quick. Alright, what up guys? The next day. Just wanted to close out the video. Car got back good. Again, as usual, it's driving so weird, like the jerking of the car, like I gotta see if my throttle body is also like staying stuck. I feel like my throttle body is staying stuck open also. But one thing I do know for sure, the wideband sensor is done. It's finito for sure. The car's running super rich, obviously, because it needs a dyno tune. So doesn't have a dyno tune, and again, the reason I haven't got dyno tune because I don't know about this VTEC situation. So right now, I'm actually starting another vlog right now, which is I'm gonna go to my dad's job and I'm gonna basically just do the brakes and stuff like that. I'm gonna check the wiring for the VTEC solenoid, see if it looks good. If not, I'll probably meet up with Spanky another day, or I'm gonna probably hit up Jeff, the guy that did my wiring for my stuff, and see if he can check the wiring and see if the VTEC is working. If I can't find nothing or figure anything out, then I'll just go get a tune and just call it a day. See what happens. But I fouled out the sensor. You guys can see the sensor is not working right now. Like it reads a little bit, like when it wants to. You know what I'm saying? So this car, look at it. This car is doing like, yeah, it's time for a tune for this car. So look at the sensor. Look, like it reads late. So like, see, it'll read, and then it'll just like stop reading, and then when I'm driving, it won't read at all. So So that just tells me that the sensor is going bad. And again, when you're running really rich, you foul out the wideband. You're dumping so much fuel that basically messed it up. So that's not a big issue. I'm gonna just buy another one, but right now I'm gonna go to my dad's job. So I appreciate you guys watching. I went to my first little car meet yesterday. I'm hoping to get the car completely finished, tune, well, like dyno tune, have everything out of the way. I believe it's November for the import export. Take it to the import export. Stay out there with my wife at the hotel and stuff. So we'll see. But thank you guys again for watching. Please guys like this video. It'll really mean a lot to me. Again, it puts my videos out there, and lets other people see it. And yeah, it helps me out a lot. So really appreciate it, guys. If you even share on Instagram, I repost everybody's stuff. I reply to everybody. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope to enjoy. Peace out.